The PEP Radio Newsroom. This is the lunch hour news blast for April 21st, 2025. LGBTQ Nation is reporting that the Trump administration has opened a new snitch line to report what it calls violations of Trump's executive order protecting children from chemical and surgical mutilation. In twin actions this week, the Department of Health and Human Services continued its efforts to end gender-affirming care for trans youth with the new whistleblower portal and the launch of an investigation of major pediatric teaching hospital over the alleged firing of a nurse because she sought a religious exemption to avoid administering puberty blockers and hormones to minor patients. Though unnamed, the nurse is likely whistleblower Vanessa Savage, who worked at Texas Children's Hospital and provided testimony to Congress this week about her alleged termination. The snitch line was shared publicly on Monday with guidance for potential whistleblowers published on the Department of Health and Human Services website. You have three options to report a tip or complaint related to the chemical and surgical mutilation of children or whistleblower retaliation, the guidance states, with instructions to provide identifying information of those involved in the alleged order violation. Please reference EO 14187 in your complaint, the guidance states, referring to Trump's chemical and surgical mutilation order. That order has been blocked by multiple federal judges with restraining orders, albeit temporary, but the Trump administration continues to invoke its crackdown on doctors and hospitals. One ruling by U.S. District Judge Lauren King in the Western District of Washington termed the order a violation of constitutional protections by treating people differently based on sex or transgender status. Those cases continue to make their way through the courts. The concurrent hospital investigation is designed to showcase the administration's weaponization of 50-year-old federal anti-abortion provisions known as the Church Amendments to protect anti-trans whistleblowers. Those allow religious accommodation to anti-abortion health care providers based on religious beliefs or moral convictions respecting sterilization procedures. Trump's order characterizes gender-affirming care as maiming and sterilizing. In January, the Justice Department dropped charges against Dr. Ethan Heim, a Texas surgeon accused of leaking private medical information about minors who received gender-affirming care at the same Texas hospital where Savage worked. He shared that information with right-wing media outlets. The Department of Justice had previously charged Heim with violating HIPAA laws with intent to cause malicious harm. He called himself a whistleblower. The Trump administration continues to characterize evidence-based trans healthcare as mutilation, despite every major medical association, including the American Academy of Pediatrics, the American Medical Association, and the Endocrine Society, supporting the practice. That's the News Blast at this hour. If you are watching the video version on YouTube, please subscribe to the PEP Radio channel to receive alerts about the latest breaking LGBTQ plus news. Beginning in May, we will be posting additional news blasts there throughout the day. Time now for the latest National Weather Service forecast for the Meadville area on PEP Radio.